Alrighty, today we are going to be making fajita soup and we're going to be using the crock pot. Remember, you can use any of the three methods. Your Instant Pot, on the stove top in a big pot, or in a crock pot will work for all of these soups that I'm teaching you. This is my favorite dump and go soup. My family loves it. They request it all the time, especially in the fall and winter when you just have a crazy schedule but you want something warm and delicious to come home to for dinner. This fits the bill. So you can use store-bought beans or the beans that you've been making at home in this recipe. I'm going to use a little bit of all of them. I just opened these up and drained them. And then I just had some left over, just a little bit of beans that I had made that will stick in here. Can never hurt to have extra beans. These are some of those veggies that we sauteed in water, or sauteed in water. This is the peppers and onion. And then I put, this is whatever you prefer, but this is medium hot. I usually do like a large jar of salsa. There we go. Doesn't that sound lovely? And I'm gonna tear up some fresh cilantro. You can do dried cilantro if you want. Whatever sounds good to you. And then I'm gonna break a cube of my veggie bouillon in there. I'm gonna put in 2 cups of water. And I'm gonna go grab my frozen corn out of the freezer. All right, we got our frozen corn. Put a lot, I put half of this big bag. And then I put about a tablespoon of chili powder and a tablespoon of cumin. Stir that all up. If you're gonna be gone all day, do it on low. If you need it to be done in 2 to 3 hours, do it on high. And I'll show you how to make it pretty and delicious when it's hot and ready to serve. Alrighty, we have just gotten this out of the crock pot and it's time to make it beautiful. I love to top it with these tortilla strips. This is cubisms. These are plant-based friendly. They add a nice little crunch and they have a really yummy Southwest flavor on them that I love. And then I usually slice up an avocado. Serve that on the top. And then I do a squeeze of lime and some cracked salt and pepper. And you are in for a delicious dinner.